Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the Macy's Beauty Box. That's right, today I have the right box. The other day I had a Macy's box and I was for certain that it was the Macy's Beauty Box, and I was all wrong. But I would like to welcome you today, and we're going to find out what we have in the September Macy's box. This is a monthly subscription. It's $15 a month, and it will have 5 to 6 deluxe samples. Sometimes you get a full size, and you do get one free item that it's, I guess, beauty related. It could be a tool or something. We get different things, so I never know. You could even get a cosmetic bag, but we're going to pop in here and see what we have. And this is their box, and I will tell you, it usually unfolds once we get started opening it. That was the giveaway when I opened up the box the other day, and I thought it was my Macy's Beauty Box. It didn't unfold, and I thought, oh, they quit unfolding their boxes. And then I realized it was my order. How silly can you get, right? But we're going to open this up, and again, it unfolds. So we do have the Macy's Beauty Box, and inside we have our little pink wrapped paper of goodies, and we have our extra, and we have our coupon, and I'm going to pull all that out of the way, put my box down on the floor there, and we're going to unwrap this and see what we have. Now, they do give us a product code, and I'm going to need to copy that real quick and get our product card. And this month, we get $10 off, and this is your next $40 beauty purchase, and it's valid in stores or online through the 27th of October, and it excludes future beauty boxes. Oh, okay, so you can't use it on that, so I guess that makes sense. But we're going to find out what we have in here. It's deluxe beauty samples for $15 a month, as I was telling you. And let's see here. It's a 90s runaway dream come true. Bombshell hair care, juicy lips, and a sultry scents galore. And it says the box has a $52 value. And let's find out. We've got several sizes in here. I'm going to just unwrap here, get our nice pink paper out of the way, and then we're going to get started with this party. Okay, so the first item that I'm seeing on here is an Anastasia, and this is a Brow Wiz Skinny Brow, and the full size would be $25, and they do have Star Wars bonus points, free gift with a purchase if you buy some Anastasia. And that's what we have here. It is the Brow Wiz Pencil Crayon, and let's take a look at it. It is a deluxe size, and it's going to look like this on this end. You're going to have the spoolie on the one end, so this will be perfect for carrying in your purse for those touch-ups. And then you've got the dark color, the brown over here. So very nice. That's cool. I'll just have to add that to my purse. I'll have me a little brow pencil with me to go, because you never know when you might need to do a quick makeup. And then it looks like we might have a mascara. It says we have a Tarte lashes. It says Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, and this runs $15, I think. And you can get a larger size for $25. So let's take a look at this. Have any of you used the Tarte Lashes Lights Camera Lashes? Oh, look at this. It's got some interesting packaging. Oh my goodness, it looks really strange. Look how that is packaged. Is that so you can grab it in your purse real easy? That is so different. I've not ever seen anything like that. It looks like it's kind of wrapped in some kind of faux leather. Very cool. And I'm sure it's in black, but I'm not even sure if it says. Lights, Camera, Lashes, 4-in-1 mascara. I don't know what it means by 4-in-1. I guess it's going to lengthen and do everything. But that is what it is, so that's another good win, and it's another good size to put in your purse. The next item I'm seeing is we got a Fakai, and we got the conditioner and the shampoo. Ooh, and my shampoo's open. I wonder if it was sealed. It wasn't sealed, but it was opened. But it didn't get on anything, so that's a good thing. That smells good. And this would have a $25 value for a full size each. So we've got the conditioner and the shampoo, and they both smell really good. I'll enjoy using those. And these are travel size, so these are perfect for when you're going on vacation or a weekend or something. And a full size, like I said, would be $25. Now the last little item we got here before we get to the couple other things is a Lancome a Juicy Tube. And this is a $24 value, and I'm not sure if this is the full size or just a little sample. And it doesn't really tell us on there, but it's got a slide top applicator, and I'm going to just squeeze some out here. Oh, it's nice, rich, and emollient, I can tell you that. Oh, and it has a nice little scent. So that was from Lancome. And then for our bonus, we got a hair clip, and this is a little different. We got this hair clip. It's kind of a purple, translucent with some pink in there. That's really cool. I'll really like that. All right, so I'm saying this is a win. We got 2 perfume samples. And let me see how much these perfumes are. We've got a Carolina Good Girl, and a full size of this runs $83 for the small and $180 for the full size bottle. And let's see how this smells. I've wanted to know how her perfumes smell. I don't have any, but now I have a sample. And I would say that smells really good. It's got notes of almond, tuberose, jasmine, and tonka bean cocoa. Very interesting. I can smell all of those. That smells good. It got on my fingers. Yeah, that's a nice scent. It's a strong scent. And then our next sample that we got is Mugler Angel Elixir Eau de Parfum, and it is $35 for a smaller bottle. And that's probably a roll-on, or all the way up to $185. So let's see how this smells. It's great getting these because you know you may find that you like one of them, and then you know if you want to invest the money or not in a full size. Okay, let's see if I can get a scent of this without mixing it with Carolina over there. This kind of smells like a clean scent. Let's see what the notes are. It says a journey into metamorphosis. It's a woody big bang with a caramel vanilla infusion blended with a spicy floral bouquet. An addictive contrasting trail. Woods floral gourmet eau de parfum. Reliable bottle, it says. So it smells interesting. I don't know which one I like better. I'm going to have to spray some on and just let it rest for a minute. So that was the Angel, and I don't have either one of these. And I can smell the woodsy in there, along with the vanilla caramel. It smells good. And this one here has the almond, the tuberose jasmine, and the tonka bean. And that smells good too. So I like both of them. They're actually both nice. So that was my Macy's box. Was it good or what? I think so. You let me know down in the comments. And again, I got $10 off, so I just might actually use that. And that was my Macy's Beauty Box. So guys, that's all I have today for the Macy's Beauty Box. I do have a couple of other Macy's Beauty Boxes here from the past, but I'm going to show those another day. And I'll do that maybe with my order. I ordered several things from Macy's the other day again. This time at least I'm not getting it confused with the real Macy's Beauty Box. But I'll be showing that here in the near future. And you let me know what was your favorite. The hair clip, the mascara, or the brow pencil, the perfumes. Do you have a favorite in the perfumes? And then of course we had the lip balm, which is going to be great. And we got the MACY'S shampoo and conditioner. So let me know, what's your favorite? I don't know, what is my favorite? I think I'm gonna like this Unusual mascara, and I do like the lip. So I'm gonna go with the lippy and the mascara, and here I go again, going with everything. The shampoo and conditioner, no. I'll just stick with the lippy and the mascara. And out of the perfumes, I think out of the perfumes I like the Angel the best. but they both smell good. You let me know what you think. As for today and the Macy's Beauty Box, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. And remember, my 2K celebration will be ending on September 25th, so it's drawing close. Make sure that you get involved and join in the fun. But as for today in the Macy's Beauty Box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.